Ocean Drifts, Terror Squad, follow them, get on it.
Thanks, Tyler. Thank you, mate.
Give him a kiss.
Big shout out to Brady, getting on the camera for us. Being flat out on yeah, the microphone. Yeah. I've been a bad YouTuber today. Yeah, we've got a bit of a crowd going on, so
make it happen.
It's a lot more than I expected, and yeah, absolutely stoked. So.
Me, I'm super. Kiss my window. When the rain hits my window, I take it. Me and Timberland, ooh, we sang a jangle. We so tight that you get our styles tangled. Sway your do-si-do like you loco. Can we get kinky tonight like Coco? So, you wanna play with my yo-yo? I smoke my on the D-Lo. I can't stand her. It's my window. 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 Driving to the beach. Top down, loud sound, see my peeps. Give them pounds, now look who it be. It be me, and Timothy. Look like it's about to rain, what a shame. I got the armor, one shine of today. Overseas, try to maintain. I
Just wanted to come down here. He started with the Terror Squad. He's been a team member since the start, and he was whinging the other night that he hasn't got a sticker on his car from Terror Squad because now he's all flash with his fish and drifts and carrying on with his pearl paint and his big flash stickers, and you know he's got all these stickers here of these fellas and whatever. And I was like, "Where's my car, mate? You didn't even have it, eh?" So here you are, mate. I just don't want you to forget where you come from. Right?
No way.
Just don't you dare forget where you come from, because you know Terror Squad boys are the party boys, and that's where it's at. Woo! Here's a sticker for you, mate.
Thank you, sir.
Real happy for you.
Oh,
you're moving on, bigger and better things.
That is beautiful.
It's such a shame it's still in the Commodore, but we'll slowly get there, mate. You'll get there.
We're gonna upgrade one day.
Yeah, that's all right. So there's a few snags over there, but I was going to bring a pack of schmackos down for you, but I couldn't get any. But yeah, I heard it was your favourite fucking feed, but yeah, not bad. Happy with the ute, looks good, real proud of it, and you're going to go places. Good stuff. Good on you, Benny. Good on your fish and drifts. Terror Squad. Follow them. Get on it.
Thanks, Tyler.
Done.
Legend, mate.
Give him a kiss. Straight over the fish and chip sticker. That's exactly, this is the best place for this sticker to go. It's the AG, mate. Showtime, stiff walker with the big wheels, straight over fish and drifts. Boss.
Look at that.
That's where it needs to be. That's right.
We got one more.
We got this little pink one here because I know you like pink because you're a girl.
Look at the car.
Your balls haven't dropped yet, so.
Let's go there.
Oh, mate, you know, can I just make a suggestion, mate? I'm no sticker clean, but you know, on the angle right there.
Yeah, that
but
looks
you know,
good,
it's okay if you don't want it, mate. You know, like don't listen to me. I'm Terror Squad. You don't listen to us boys anymore.
You're pleb now, man.
Got anything else to say, mate?
That's going to be like probably real cheap and hard to get off because that's what Terror Squad's all about.
We heard it here first, guys.
Yeah,
Fish and drift gear is better.
Yeah, no, I wasn't saying that. I was saying on equal par. It's just like that sticker might be cheap and hard to get off.
There we go.
I'm real cheap.
Just like
I'm real
Sozza?
cheap. I'm real
Just
cheap.
like Sozza, cheap and hard to get off.
Cheap and hard to get off, just like me too. Of course, we'll take that one off ya. Going to be a few crinkles in this, I reckon.
Should be right.
On
What do you
angle.
reckon?
Yeah, on
Cool.
angle.
Done. Perfect.
Angle.
Perfect. Nah, that's good. Done.
Look at that.
Fucking that ain't going anywhere, boys.
That's perfect, mate.
Set target.
It is now.
It's target.
It's target.
Look.
Oh, no.
That's good. I don't need that far. Full send, sorry, but that's medley, eh?
There we go.
Look at that. That is
Beautiful.
perfect. Beautiful.
Goes well with
Set
the
on
fish
there.
and drift sticker, mate.
Oh, I wouldn't say that, but yeah, right on. Good stuff.
And we're done sniffing.
Love it.
She's
We're done.
tagged, she's
We're
good.
done. She's tagged.
Benny's officially
We're on.
been sacked from Terror Squad.
Yeah.
Mate,
We just need like, you know, former. We just need a little sticker up there saying former.
Former.
We can organise
Former.
that.
Yeah, we can organise that. We'll sort that out.
X, Terror Squad.
Yeah, X, yeah. And then I think that's like, you know,
Grassroots.
better cunts.
Right,
Yeah, when you grow up and you start partying, you just come back over our side, mate.
Yeah,
You'll be
righto, mate.
Yeah.
Righto. When my balls drop.
Yeah, when you
become a
balls
man.
drop. When you grow pubes, mate, come over.
that's going to wrap up that episode. Hope you enjoyed. Weren't quite the best YouTuber that night, and also the GoPro was going around and most of the footage was on time-lapse mode, so we did miss a lot, especially with the little casting competition. Congratulations to Billy for winning the $500. Well done, mate. There's a few things we got to work on for the next little casting competition. I'd say the kids will probably have their own one. And yeah, the time of the 5 minutes probably will get cut in half or something like that. We'll work that out as the time comes, because there's people sending messages going, when's the next one? So obviously we'll do a next one. We're not sure when. We're not sure that we're going to move the venue or stay here. Yeah, we're not sure at the moment, so time will tell that one. Sorry that this video is taking a couple of weeks to get out as well. I've been sick. Yeah, not the spicy cough, but yeah, the old school sickness, to be honest with you. Buddy, probably the only person the last 3 years has been sick in the old school way. So yeah, that took me away from the computer for a bit, because the computer's at work and I had to stay home. Thank you everyone that's been sending in footage for the car meet video. I've been trying to get video from everywhere, and a majority of it didn't work on this computer for some reason. So yeah, if you're thinking where's the footage I sent you, well, yeah, sorry, this computer's on its last legs at the moment. So another thing we'll have to upgrade one day. Thank you everybody for coming along. Can't thank you guys enough. Big thank you to the sponsors as well. And like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.